When you search for the best car Bluetooth FM transmitter, everything looks the exact same. Same claims, same photos. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, LENCNT T25. First up is the LENCNT FM transmitter, which caught my eye with its sleek design and affordable price of $14.24. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 81,900 reviews, if you want crystal clear music streaming and hands-free calling, this is worth a serious look. It supports music from Bluetooth, USB flash drives, and microSD cards, meaning you can play all your favorite tunes without hassle. Plus, its dual USB ports allow for charging 2 devices simultaneously, which is a game changer on long drives. The device even monitors your car's battery voltage, giving you peace of mind on the road. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky and not fitting well in all car cigarette lighters. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard-sized socket, it should work just fine. But if you've got a smaller vehicle, you might want to check your dimensions first. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact. For the price, you really can't beat its value. Product number 2, LENCNT Bluetooth 5.4. Next up is another LENCNT model, the Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter priced at $31.49. With a similar rating of 4.5 stars but with newer technology, if you're after faster pairing and better sound quality, this one's definitely worth considering. It has enhanced dual charging with 48W output, so your devices will charge up quickly. And let's not forget about the 7-color light display that adds a nice touch for nighttime driving. Now, I did notice some users mention that the lights can be distracting at night. Here's the thing though, you can easily turn them off, so it's not a deal breaker. Just a little adjustment away from an enjoyable driving experience. This is perfect for tech-savvy drivers who appreciate aesthetics and functionality. Skip this if you prefer a simpler, no-frills option. The price reflects its advanced features, making it a solid investment. Product number 3, BAISHUN Bluetooth 5. In third place is the BAISHUN Bluetooth FM transmitter, retailing at just $9.99. It surprised me with its affordability while still maintaining a 4.5-star rating from 3,300 users. If you want an economical choice that doesn't compromise on performance, this one could be your best bet. It also supports music playback through Bluetooth, TF cards, and USB drives. With Bluetooth 5, you're looking at a stable connection and low latency, perfect for hands-free calls. The voltage warning function is a neat addition, showing real-time battery status on the LCD screen to keep you informed. However, some users mentioned that the sound quality isn't as high as pricier models. But honestly, if you're mainly using it for casual listening and calls, it still delivers a pretty decent experience. This is perfect for budget-conscious drivers who don't need all the bells and whistles. Skip this if you want top-tier audio quality for serious music listening. For the price, it's a steal. Product number 4, NULEXI Bluetooth 5.3. Fourth on our list is the NULEXI Bluetooth 5.3 car adapter, priced at $12.98. It's rated 4.4 stars and has over 9,500 reviews, making it a strong contender. If you're looking for a blend of fast charging and sound quality, you might want to check this out. This is perfect for those long trips when multiple devices need power. The Bluetooth 5.3 technology ensures fast and stable connections, reducing interruptions during calls or music playback. Plus, it produces deep bass for those who appreciate a richer sound. However, the unique size requirements for some car cigarette lighters were a point of concern for a few users. Here's the thing, it's easily adjustable, but if you drive a compact car, you may want to measure first. This is perfect for drivers who value both performance and charging capabilities. Skip this if you don't need multiple charging ports or deep bass sound. It offers great value for the features it provides. Product number 5, SYNCWRE Bluetooth 5.4. Lastly, we have the SYNCWRE Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter, retailing at $24.99. With a 4.4-star rating from 13,000 reviews, if you appreciate customizable lighting and stable connections, this one's for you. This model features a unique ambient light switch design, letting you customize your driving atmosphere. The dual USB ports provide quick charging, and the hi-fi deep bass enhances your listening experience on the road. Some users did find the lighting effects a bit unnecessary. Honestly, if you're not into that kind of flair, you can simply turn it off. This is perfect for those who like a bit of style in their tech gadgets. Skip this if you prefer something more straightforward. For its mix of features, it's a good price. So there you have it. We've looked at the LENCNT T25, the Bluetooth 5.4, BAISHUN Bluetooth 5, the Nulaxi 5.3, and the SYNCWIRE Bluetooth 5.4. Each offers something unique, from budget-friendly options to feature-rich choices. The one that fits you best will depend on your specific needs and preferences.